Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public.
Hi everyone. Today we have with us Sofia Masi, who is a researcher at the Institute of Advanced Materials at University Jamed Primer in Spain, close to Valencia, the beautiful, beautiful Valencia. So, hi Sofia, how are you?
Hi, Pranati. Fine. And you?
I'm good. Looking forward to talking about your science and learning about your research. So let's dive right in. Could you explain your research to us in super simple words, please?
Oh, yes. My research is focused on perovskite devices, solar cells, and light emitting diodes, for example. Is focused on structural and optoelectronic properties of this material, electrical characterizations, synthesis of perovskite and inorganic materials. Um, Actually, my current research activity is focused on the thermodynamic stabilization of unstable perovskite crystal phases to improve the efficiency and the stability in ambient conditions of both material and the device. To achieve that, I use a strategy that I call chemistructural interaction because it is an interaction between the perovskite material and the inorganic quantum dots.
Okay. Okay. That's quite a lot. It's quite broad as well. You do quite a lot of things. So I'm sure our followers will have a lot to learn in the week that you will curate the account. So what can the followers expect in the week that you will take over the Real Scientist Nano Twitter account?
In my idea is to tweet some post about on Monday, for example, about my institution, the general and personal aspect to work in this very nice institution in Spain. Then on Tuesday, I will talk about my background as chemistry. For example, I will talk about the city, the University of Pisa, in which Galileo Galilei spent his life. That I think could be interesting for people connected to the Real Science Twitter. Then on Wednesday, I will do an overview of my research activity. Maybe I will divide this in 2 days because there are a lot of things, as you mentioned before. Maybe first of all, I will talk about the technical details, the experiments, and then in the second days, I will go in depth in the basic aspect of the science behind our research. Then on Friday, I will talk about the importance of the dissemination activity, and on Saturday, that is a more relaxed day, and above all in these summer holidays and summer season, I will talk about some books and readings about energy and all the issue related to the photovoltaics and the energy, the climate exchange, this very interesting topic. Then on Sunday, I want to talk about the mother in science because it's a topic very close to my life. And I think that also could be very interesting for other young girls in science that want to get inspiration when they connect this very popular account to see other experience and get inspiration from them.
Okay. All right. So this is quite a lot that you're going to talk about. And I love the fact that it's a mixed bag, that you're going to go into the details of behind the science as well, sharing the technical details. And in addition to that, also covering topics that surround you as a scientist, that matter to you as a scientist, be it dissemination, be it being a mother in science. Reading suggestions as well, that's also very important. Work-life balance, absolutely important. That's amazing. So looking forward to having you on Real Scientist Nano. Sofia, thank you very much for speaking with us.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website realscientistsnano.org and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.